Ganda. Yeah. Solo picture ni Mahal G. If you come to Boracay, Philippine Island, you can book this Cetro New Coast ATV. It's beautiful.
Sit down on the ATV, so we're going to take a group picture first.
Ah, group picture.
Sit down here.
Okay.
Doon mama, doon. Kita mo yun mama. Lipat ka doon. Doon. Shoot ka mama. Ganito. Keep going na po. Last ma'am, sa bilog ma'am, sa bilog. Oo. Oo, bilog lang.
We're having so much fun, mga mahal.
Dito ma'am, dito ma'am.
Go like this. Mga ma'am, hawak sa baywang. Yan. Oh.
Ikot tayo dyan, ma'am. Sa pilit na yun, ma'am. Oo. So, punta tayo dun sa kaliwa. Pababa. Diretso lang. Diretso na tayo, ma'am. Shortcut lang. Kung hindi sila i-import, kung walang bibili sa mga picture nila, wala silang tao. Baka kaya sila dami. Sa tapas naman din kami, pero ito yung lang ngayon naman, karamihan. Move forward, sir. Closer, closer. Closer. Closer, ma'am. Closer lang po.
Forward more.
Yeah. Okay.
Tourist attraction. We are here, mga mahal, at the Keyhole. One of their tourist attractions here. We are in a Keyhole. Gonna take picture.
And then ma'am, yung phone nyo ma'am, kung gusto nyo rin sa phone nyo.
Oh, yung phone natin.
You want your phone?
Yeah, mga mahal, a Keyhole. Ay, yung salamin niya. Laglag. Nagasgasa na.
Trees, mahal. They're pomegranates.
Where is it?
What we see those trees.
All of this? Wow, beautiful nature, mga mahal. Oh, it's beautiful.
You want to buy a lot here?
Hello. Original.
Tinanong ko kung local, original.
Original.
Sir, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then look at each other, pretend laughing again. Okay. Who wants solo? So you went to cruise ship yesterday?
Yeah, man. And I had to zoom in on my camera to see. I said, oh, I wonder what this place is. And it's solved my curiosity.
Actually, this whole area is the yeah, and there's a lot of private
Only for the rich.
no, only for the ones are riding the ATV or the ones staying in the hotel here.
Wow, it's beautiful here. Ganda, mga mahal. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, wow. It's so clear. The beach, mahal. Very clear. Wow, so beautiful.
Beautiful down the bottom, Mahal.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Know any Tagalog words, sir?
Yes, some.
Tell the Tagalog you know, mahal.
Maganda, marami maganda. Salamat.
More.
White pek pek.
What the?
Pek pek. Oh my God. I-mute ko yun. I-mute ko yun. I gotta be Vash.
What did you teach you swear words?
Okay ka lang. Nagsasalita ka. Sige. Okay lang yan. Enjoy. Oh, enjoy the moment, Isa. Enjoy ka ba, Isa? Enjoy as long as you enjoy. That's all that matters. We enjoy life. Wow, ang ganda dito, Ning. Oh, it's beautiful. Buti pala dinala ko yung camera, hindi ko iniwan. Wow, so beautiful. Ganda. Solid lahat ng ating adventure, mga mahal. If you like I always said, if you want to come to Boracay, Philippine Island, it's so beautiful. All the I will put on the description everything, all our activities, so that you can book it to this ATB. I booked it in Klook, and so that you can book it to, mga mahal. It's so beautiful here, and as I say, Filipino people is so friendly. They will help you. You cannot go wrong here in Boracay Island. Boracay, too many islands to see here in the Philippines, mga mahal. All the fishing, the fishermen. Ganda, fishermen. Ganda, mga mahal. So beautiful. I know. All the fishermen's there. And look at the island. Kita nyo ba, mga mahal, na ano ba ng aking camera? Yan. All the fishermen's there. Yeah. Ganda. Alo na alo si Mahal Isa. Ganda, Neng. Happy ka ba sa experience mo? Happy ka? Hello. Ganda. Puti pala, nag-shoes tayo. Oh. Ganda, mga mahal. This is Aklan. Aklan province. One of the island. That's the keyhole there. Are we going to the keyhole?
Yes, ma'am. Last stop.
Last stop, yes, the keyhole. Wow, so beautiful.
Muna kayo dito, ma'am. Tambay muna kayo saglit.
Oh, tambay muna tayo. Sa keyhole, maganda din doon mag-picture. Ganda, mga mahal. Ganda talaga. Oo, super. Ganda. Ganda. taas mo, mahal.
They take good care of this area because that's for beauty.
It's a good area to grow up here.
Mostly the ones that are going here are checking in the hotel. Belmont Summit.
Ganda.
People don't know this area. It's fine.
Yeah, when I see it, and I took a video, zoomed in on my phone, and I said, oh, I wish I knew what this area was. This looks so beautiful. But they're selling the lots of land to build a house.
For the future plans. Exercise.
I need to stretch. That's why I'm stiff. My muscles are sore. Even the humidity.
You didn't know this ATV would have exercise.
It's okay going down. It's hard going up. I don't think Tanya can do this activity. Okay ka pa, Neng? Konti na lang.
And in Filipino, when we get tired, we say putang.
Enjoy.
Come on, come on.
Enjoy now. Struggle later. Okay ka lang, Neng? Oo. Hingal. Ang ganda nung pababa, nung paakyat. Ayun. Oo. Kaya.
Wind coming up.
Tatapat doon?
View.
You can Google it how much is the cost of the
sir?
housing here.
Yes.
You
Okay.
can Google it, mahal. Ayaw mo na mag-drive.
Kamaya na ulit.
Iharap ko din sa iyo yung camera.
Hi, vlog! Hindi mo naman pala kung ito, pera pa mo pa ako. Okay na experience na yun. Na bumalik na si yung photographer. Yung mga nagkaganyan ang susunod sa tour guide. Kaya sila pinipilit doon na susunod lang sa tour guide. Kaya nga, dapat susundan yung destination map, no? Kasi mahilig talaga sila sa ITV eh.
Sabihan mo, hindi na pinig.
Kaya pala.
lang sila doon. Unlimited eh. Unlimited eh. Ano to pinapatay, kuya? Saan to pinapatay, kuya? Kuya, patay mo nga.
Okay na dito?
Closer, ma'am. Closer.
Going to the keyhole. Ah, weekend. Yeah.
On weekend, we do land tour.
Wow.
Mostly land tour. Pero everyday may land tour naman siya kaso mas marami ng tao pag weekends. Nag-land tour.
Wow.
Yan kasi yung mas affordable na
Dito na kami. Last stop na namin. Keyhole. Our ATV adventure. Wow. Yan. Ang ganda, mga mahal. It's beautiful. Yes, beautiful,
Understatement.
mahal. Yeah.
Enormously beautiful.
You like it?
Yes. Here in Baraka on this island, you can buy an island, you can buy a block of land and build a house where we just were riding and taking photos.
Yeah.
And the land is well manicured with beautiful plants and pomegranates and even some monkeys. And it is well kept. It really makes you want to buy a block of land and build a house here. And the beaches are soft white sand, crystal clear
Crystal
water.
clear. Yeah, it's
It is
beautiful. Look. Look at the
magnificent.
water. Crystal clear. Oh, wow.
If you'd like to holiday here, it's highly recommended to come here and book yourself a tour so they can show you the
Around.
magnificent location. Really.
Yeah. By using ATV.
Well, by using
Buggy.
the ATV vehicles, we managed to ride around with a tour. He show us the beautiful locations, take some photos, and awesome blocks of land, and we were watching the local fishermen. They fish daily, catching fish. And they sell, if they get enough, they sell it or they keep it for themselves.
Look at that.
And even some people
Oh,
here, they're
what they
fishing.
getting? Oh, they're getting oyster, mahal.
Oh, wow. Oh, they're getting some. What do you
Yeah.
call
Oh
that?
no, coral. Yeah. What is
Sea
it?
urchin.
Oh.
You eat the sea urchin.
Oh, fresh. You eat it?
Yes, you open it up in the
And
center.
yeah.
And you eat the egg row inside. The yellow
Wow.
part.
Lalagyan-
Very popular in Europe.
Wow.
If you go to the Adriatic.
Yeah.
A lot of the high. See how they pick the empty.
Yeah. And you
they-
eat it fresh.
Yes, that's a
Wow.
delicacy.
Oh, so good. Hindi ko yan. Sabi nila, ang bagal nila. It's good, mahal.
It is magnificent. Here, Mark, behind to that.
Yeah.
Just gonna check the time.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here, mga mahal. Pawis, agad, sarap. Exercise. Pawis siya. Yun. Andun na yung tour guide namin. Naiwan na kami. Ayun yung keyhole. May tissue kami. Pawis na talaga.
Dinala ko eh. Papalitan naman, di ba?
Oo, everyday. Wala na. Enjoy muna namin. Pa-picture muna kami, mga mahal. Picture muna. Ayun yung keyhole, mga mahal. Wala, sarado. Ayun yung keyhole. Ayun. Pwede makukuha ng picture. Daming nagpapapicture. No. Yeah, they working. Yeah, that's the keyhole. Kailangan mo mag-queue. Pumila.
Dalawa kasing pila dito. Sa left side, keyhole. Sa gitna, keyhole.
Doon tayo sa keyhole. O, pila na tayo. Pumila na kayo. Nakapila. Pumila na pala siya eh. Pumila ka na, kuya.
Say hi, kuya.
Say hi, kuya. Pumila ko na, kuya. Hi to my vlog, kuya. Huwag alala, kuya. Pagugwapuhin kita, edit ko yan. Ayun yung keyhole, mga mahal.
Okay, next.
Next! Next in line! Kada tayo tatlo na. Mahal! We take picture with Isa. Isa can take picture by herself. Okay na yan. Picture group and then solo mo. Ito na. Sabi ko nga. Hawakan mo, kuya. Keyhole. Doon keyhop, doon keyhole. Dito tayo sa keyhole. Ay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay lang ba, sir? Bali, magsasabay lang din kami. Ito naman is optional naman. Kung may usual kayo, pwede nyo sa tingnan sa tutuloy. Pag lorry, optional ka.
Picture muna kami, mga mahal.
Together muna, nakatthumbs up tayo dyan sa harap. Like
Sa
this.
keyhole.
The ice cream yummy. Ice cream
Picture
good?
muna.
1, 2, 3. Then make a peace sign. 1, 2, 3. And then yung ibos tayo. Ay tayo dyan. 1, 2, 3. And then family hug each other. Closer nyo lang kayo dyan sa gitna. 1, 2, 3. And then while doing that, Huggy pose. Look up there. Look.
Our end for our ATV adventure for today. Please like, share, and subscribe George and Sunny YouTube channel. And always remember, be kind, do the good thing will come back to you. Until our next video, mga mahal!